Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the Underwood 5 all ready here. This is the one we evaluated on the previous video. It was looking pretty bad. These pieces were just frozen solid on here. Now, of course, they move pretty freely. Everything's cleaned up as good as we could get it for the budget we had with this. But, you know, it is what it is. At least it's a fully functioning typewriter now. We got all the keys to work perfect. None of them are sticking at all. There was a lot of rust up here in these type bars right at the pivots. I was able to work all that out and get everything working nice. Condition wise, we did clean it up some. Got it looking a little better. Put some rubber stops down here where your space bars are. Got the carriage shift up here working properly, which was not. It was just binding like crazy. So we got all that fixed up. And the ribbon is all straightened out. Ribbon drives, not squeaking anymore. It's working both directions good. Got new feet, all four corners, nice and balanced. Looking pretty good. Backside is, you know, still got some overall visual condition problems, but everything is complete back here. We had to flush this out pretty good, get those type bars to move properly. Got a new drawband in there. You see it right there. That's all happy again. New band, new connections. Flushed the mainspring out. Even got the bell to work here, which is surprising down here. Pretty consistent bell action. Just pretty tricky on these sometimes. And the carriage is moving nice and free. It's all fixed up. No more squeaks anywhere. And the crazy thing about it is it types really well, so pretty successful job here. Pretty successful repair, I think. Looking pretty good for I think this is 1914, this machine, so it's got a few years on it. But she's good. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.